Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about higher secondary first year computer science volume 1. Next unit 1 fundamentals of computer, chapter 2 number system. Fundamentals of computers. The chapter name is number system. We have totally four types of number system. One is binary number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system and octal number system. We have four types of number system: binary number system, hexadecimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Next, to know how the computer interprets and store data in the memory, to learn various data representation and binary arithmetic, to learn conversions between various number system, Next, introductions. Okay. The term data comes from the word data, which means raw fact. We already know what is data. Raw fact is data and unprocessed also data. Raw fact, which means raw fact. The data is a fact about people, places or some objects. And raw fact, that is unprocessed the data and solve. Process panna information process panna the information solum. Process panna, that is called information. We already studied in chapter 1. And what is data and what is information? Difference between information and data. Data is unprocessed raw fact. You should see. The term data comes from the word data, which means raw fact. The data is a fact about people, places or some objects. Example, let name, age, class, marks and subject. This is called variable. Name, age, class, marks and subject. This is called variable. Next, we should assign the values. அந்த நேம்க்கு வேரியபிள் கொடுத்துருக்கோம்ல, அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா வேல்யூ அசைன் பண்ணணும். we should assign the values. நம்ம அந்த நேம்க்கு என்ன பண்ணுறோம், வேல்யூ அசைன் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே. Name, age, class, marks, subject. You should see the page number 18 box. Next, we should assign the values. Name equal to, you should give any name, age, class, marks, subject. Next, in the above example, the values assigned to 5 different variables are called data. In the above example, the values assigned to 5 different variables is called data. Is called a data. When the above data processed, we get information. Rajesh is 16 years old, studying class 11th, has scored 65 marks in computer science subject. You should write first introduction. Data. The term data comes from the word data, which means raw fact. You should write, just I will read. The data is a fact about people, places or some objects. Let name, age, class, marks and subject be some defined variable Now let us assign a value to each of these variables. In the above example, the value assigned to 5 different variables are called data. When the above data is processed, we get an information. Rajesh is 16 years old, studying class 11, has scored 65 marks in computer subject. Okay, next data representation. Okay, computer handle in the form of series. கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு நம்ம கொடுக்க லாங்குவேஜ் எல்லாம் தெரியுமா? தெரியாது. அதுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு லாங்குவேஜ் கொடுப்போம், அது வாங்கி அக்செப்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. அதுக்கு என்னது தெரியுதோ அது மட்டும் தான் கொடுக்க முடியும். கம்ப்யூட்டர் நோஸ் ஒன்லி மிஷின் லாங்குவேஜ். கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு என்ன லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியும்? மிஷின் லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியும். Computer handles data in the form of zeros and ones. That is called binary number. Already I told we have 4 types of number system. One is binary number system, hexadecimal number system, decimal number system and octal number system. Binary number system base value is 2 and hexadecimal number system base value is 16 and decimal number system base value is 10 and octal number system base value is 8. Binary number system base value is 2, zeros and ones. Decimal number system base value is 0 to 9. The total value is 10. Then base value is 10. Next, octal number system base value is 0 to 7. The total value is 8. That base value is 8. Next, hexadecimal number system base value is 0 to 15. The totally the base value 16. Next, computer handle that in the form of zeros and one. Any kind of data like numbers, alphabet, special character should be converted to 0 or 1, which can be understood by the computer. Zeros and 1, that is the computer can understand only machine language. Machine language na zeros and 1. Okay. Ones are called binary digit. Therefore, the study of data representation in the computer is important. Next one is, a bit is the shortest form of binary digit. We know binary digit means zeros and ones. Binary digit means zeros and 1, which can be 0 or 1. It is the base unit of data in computer. Okay. Nipple. A nipple is a collection of 4 digits. Like 1, 0, 1, 1. You should give any value like that. 0, 0, 1, 0. That is also 4 types collection of 4 bits. Binary digits. Next is a collection of 8 bits is called byte. 1 byte equal to 8 bit. 1 byte equal to 1 bit. This is one important one by you should mark. 1 byte equal to 8. 1 byte equal to 1 bit. 1 byte equal to 8 bit. A byte is considered as the basic unit of measuring the memory size in the computer. Next, word length. Word length refers to the number of bits processed by a computer CPU. For example, word length can have 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits and 64 bits. Present computer use 32 bits or 64 bits. Okay, if you have lab system, you should see how many bits எவ்வளோ பிட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு நீ இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீ பார்த்துக்கலாம். கம்ப்யூட்டர் கேன் ஆப்பரேட் கம்ப்யூட்டர் கேன் ஆப்ரேட் 64 பிட் அட் அ டைம். எவ்வளோ ப்ராசஸ் பண்ண முடியுதோ அதை வேர்ல்ட் லென்த்துன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே ஓகே 8 bit is the shortest form of binary digit which can be 0 or 1. It is the basic unit of data in computers. A nipple is a collection of 4 bits. A collection of 8 bit is called a byte. 1 byte equal to 8 bit. A byte is considered as the basic unit of measuring the memory size in the computer. World length refers to the number of bits processed by a computer CPU. For example, a word length can have 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits and 64 bits. Next, everybody should see this example. You should mark up. ஓகே எப்படி நீ இதை படித்து தான் ஆகணும். ஏன்னா இதுலேருந்து கண்டிப்பாக ஒன் வேர்டு இருக்குது. கொஸ்டின் எவ்வளோ டஃப் ஆக்கணும்னு நினைக்காங்களோ இப்படி தான் ஒன் வேர்டு எடுப்பாங்க. ஓகே bit zeros are 1. Nipple means 4 bytes. Bytes means 8 bit. 8 bit equal to 1 byte. Nipple means 4 bits. Bit equal to zeros are 1. 1024 kilobytes. 1024 bytes represent kilobyte. Okay, 1024 bytes represent kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes represent megabyte. 1024 kilobyte represent megabyte. Next, 1024 megabyte represent gigabyte. Next, 1024 gigabyte represent terabyte. Next, bit 0 or 1. Nipple 4 bits. A byte 8 bits. 1024 bytes represent kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte represent megabyte. 1024 megabyte represent gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte represent terabyte. Terabyte is the highest storage capacity. Terabyte is the highest storage capacity. You should write. Okay, next, computer memory, main memory and secondary storage. We know already two types of memory. One is primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory means temporary memory and secondary memory is permanent memory. Primary memory means temporary and secondary memory means permanent. Is normally represent in terms of kilobyte or megabytes. Kilobytes or megabyte. In decimal system, 1 kilo represent 1000, that is 10 cube. 1 kilo represent 1000, that is 10 cube in binary system. 1 kilobyte represent 1024 bytes. Next, that is 2 power 10. Computer memory, main memory and secondary storage is normally represent in terms of kilobyte or megabyte. In decimal system, 1 kilo represent 1000, that is 10 cube. Binary system, 1 kilobyte represent 1024 byte, that is 2 power 10. Okay, next, We should mark up this because comes one word. Names is kilo, mega, giga, tera, beta, exa, zeta, iota. Name is kilo, mega, giga, tera, beta, exa and zeta. That kilo size is 2 power 10 equal to 1024 and mega is 2 power 20. You should write like that. Next giga 2 power 30. You don't forget the power values because this is most important, because very important one word. Kilo 2 power 10 and mega 2 power 20 and giga 2 power 30, tera 2 power 40 and beta 2 power 50, exa 2 power 60 and zeta 2 power 70 and iota 2 power 80. Right? Bytes are used to represent character in a text. Bytes are used to represent character in a text. Different types of coding schemes are used to represent the character, sets and numbers. The most commonly used coding scheme is the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is important one word. American Standard Code for Information Interchange, that is called ASCII. Each binary value between 0 and 127 is used to represent a specific character. The ASCII value for blank space is 32 and the ASCII value of numeric 0 is 48. The range of ASCII values for lowercase alphabet is from 19 to 122 and the range of ASCII values for uppercase alphabet is 65 to 90. Okay, next. I already told different types of number system, very important. Number system: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Decimal numbers is 0 to 9. Decimal number is 0 to 9. Decimal number is 0 to 9 and binary number is 0 to 1. Octal number is 0 to 7 and hexadecimal number is 0 to 15. நம்ம அதை 9 வரைக்கும் கால்குலேட் பண்ணுவோம். ஆஃப்டர் தட் we should take alphabets A to F. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 0 to 9 அது பேஸ் வேல்யூ இஸ் 10. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பைனரி பேஸ் வேல்யூ இஸ் 2 and octal பேஸ் வேல்யூ இஸ் 8. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு hexadecimal பேஸ் வேல்யூ இஸ் 16. Next, a numbering system is a way of representing number. The most commonly used numbering system in real life is decimal number system. In real life is decimal number system. Other number system are binary, octal, hexadecimal number system. Each number system is uniquely identified. Each number system is uniquely identified system. Radix or base is general idea behind positional numbering system. Number system: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. That base value is 10 because 0 to 9. Binary base value is 2. That value is zeros and 1. That totally 2. Then octal is base value is 8. 0 to 7. That should count 8. Hexadecimal is 0 to 15. Total base value is 16. Next. Next, decimal number system. Decimal number system means 0 to 9, totally 10. It consists of 0 to 9. It is the oldest and most popular number system used in our day-to-day life. Used in our day-to-day life. In the positional number system, each decimal is weighted relative to its position in the number. This means that each digit in the number is multiplied by 10 raised to a power corresponding to the digit position, corresponding to the digit position, Okay, next you should see this example. 123. That base value is 10. எப்படி consider பண்ணுவோம்? Base value is 10. இதை நீ ஏதோ convert பண்ணு கொடுக்கல. We should convert decimal value. We should convert decimal value. How? Now we should give the power value. Right ல இருந்து நம்ம left க்கு போறோம். Right ல இருந்து we should right ல இருந்து எதுக்கு மூவ் பண்றோம்? Left க்கு மூவ் பண்றோம். We should give the power value. 3 na power value is 0, 2 power value is 1 and 1 power value is 1. 1 power value is 2. 3 power value is 0. இதில் எப்படி மூவ் பண்ணணும்னா ரைட்ல இருந்து லெஃப்ட் மூவ் பண்ணுறோம். 3 na 0, 2 power value is 1, 1 power value is 2. Next 1 into, this is decimal value, 10 power 2 plus next numbers mean 2 into 10 power value is 1 plus 3 into 10 power value is 0. Any power 0 equal to 1. Any power 0 equal to 1. Any power 0 equal to 1. 10 into 10 power 2 na 100 plus 2 into 2 power 10 power 1 na 10. Next 3 into any power value, any power 0 value is 1. Next 3, totally 100 plus 20 plus 3, totally 123. Must we should give the base value. Base value is 10 because that is decimal number system. Next, right. First you should write this example. Next 123. That is we should convert again decimal value. We should give the base value. We should give the power value. 3 power is 0 and 2 power is 1 and 1 power is 2. Okay, 1 into 10 power 2 plus 2 into 10 power 1 plus 3 into 10 power 0. Any power 0 equal to 1. Next 10 power 2 100, 2 power 10 power 1 10. Next any power value equal to 1. Next 100 plus 20 plus 3, totally 123. That base value is 10. Don't forget, must you should give the base value. Base value has some marks. Okay. Next one is binary number system. We know already, I told the binary number system means zeros and ones. Binary number system means zeros and ones. There are only 2 digits in the binary system, namely 0 and 1. The numbers in the binary system are the represent to the base 2 and the positional multipliers or the power of 2. The leftmost bits, you should see this example. 1101. I already told. This is nipple. 4 bits are nipple. This right the least significant bits and right corner least significant bit and left corner is most significant bit. right corner is least significant bit and left corner is most significant bit. You should see the example 1101. This is binary number system because the base value is 2. Now we should convert decimal number system. Decimal number system base value is 10. Next, we should give the power value 1 power 0, 0 power 1, 1 power 2, 1 power 3. இங்கே என்னது 0 லேருந்தே power 1 லேருந்தே இது right left side க்கு power கொடுக்கிறோம். First least significant bit லேருந்து most significant bit க்கு power கொடுக்கிறோம். Okay, least significant bit to most significant bit க்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், power கொடுக்கிறோம், power values கொடுக்கிறோம். அப்படினா next, how 1 into 10 power 1 into, because it is binary number 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2. Next, 1 into 0 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. 2 power 0 value is any power 0 value is 1. Next, 1 into 2 power 3 is 8 plus 1 into 2 power 2 is 4. Next, 0 into any value is 0. That 1 into 2 power 0 value is 1. Next, 1 into 8, 8 plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Next, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. We should give the base value. We are converted decimal value. That base value is 10. Okay, that base value is 10. Next, octal number system. First you should write this example. Okay, octal number system, we know the base value is, octal number system base value is 8 because 0 to 7. Octal number system uses 0 to 7, 8 digit. Each octal digit has its own positional value. Each octal digit has its own positional value or weight as power of 8. Next, inge parunga, I gave one number 547. That base value is 8 converted to decimal number. We should give the power value. Next, 7 power is in the least mode bit least significant bit to most significant bit ku kodukrom. Here least significant value is first 7 power value is 0, 4 power value is 1 and 5 power value is 2. Okay, 7 power value is 0 and 4 power value is 1 and 5 power value is 2. Any கேட்கலாம் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வச்சா எப்படி கொடுக்கணும். இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 283.147. just this is for one example. Most point இந்த சைடு இருக்குது most at the same point most significant bit 3 power value is 0 and 8 power value is 1 and 2 power value is 2. Next point in the side la irukku 1 ku power value is -1, 4 power value is -2 and 7 power value is -3. You should like that. Next 547. you should convert decimal number system. You should convert decimal number system. Next, either convert pan decimal octal base value is 8. 5 into 8 power 2. Next, 4 and plus 4 into 8 power 1. Next, 7 into 8 power 0. Next, 5 into 8 power 2 value is 64 plus 4 into 8 1. Next, 7 into 1. Next, 5 into 64 320 plus 4 into 8 32. Next, 7 into 1 7. That totally 359. That base value is 10 because we are converted decimal value octal number to decimal number. Next, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. A hexadecimal number is represented using base 16. Hexadecimal or hex numbers are used as a shortened form of binary sequence. This system is form of binary sequence. This system is used to represent data in more compact manner. 16 symbols are used to 0 to F. The notation is called hexadecimal. The first 10 symbols are the same as in the decimal system 0 to 9, and the remaining 6 are taken from the letters alphabets sequence A to F, where A is represent 10, B is represent 11, C is represent 12, and D is represent 13, E is represent 14, and F is represent 50. Next, see this example. The hexadecimal sequence 25, the base value is 16. This is for what? (25) 16. You should give the power value. 5 means 0, 2 means 1. 2 into 16 1 and 5 into 16 0. Okay, your homework is first homework. You should mark 5 to 7. That base value is 8. Convert decimal number. Convert decimal number. Okay, convert decimal number. Next, second question. 8 7 8. Base value is 16. Convert decimal number. The two sums. Next, workshop. First workshop. Identify the number system for the following numbers. Serial number you should convert, that is your homework. Next, state whether the following numbers are valid or not. Okay, you should see. Next, first one, 786 an octal number. This is not an octal number because false, because octal number contain only 0 to 7. Okay, 0s and 1 is a binary number. Yes, because 0s and 1 is a binary number. Radix of octal number is 7. That is no. Okay, your homework is workshop. Identify the number system for the following numbers. 5 number is there. That is your homework. Next, the sums 527. The base value is 8. Convert decimal number. Next, 878. Base value is 60. 5 to 7 base value 8, 8 to 7 8 16, convert decimal value. Okay, don't forget.